now, did you, records check? Well, I guess we've had a little discombobulation about that, so.
You can do the record. You can do the record.
You don't want the record, you want this case.
You know, we're done. We gave you an answer. You didn't like the answer on Friday. You want it $25, and you can look at the file.
Ma'am, is it common to charge just to look at the file?
Absolutely.
Can I ask,
The records check.
Can I ask when I look at files, we're not charged?
When do you look at
files?
files?
I'm
Yeah, I know
with
you're with the
media.
media. When do you look at files?
I come down here, or I can go up to district court.
District court, they have that capability.
Right. But I
Down here,
haven't
you're
been-
not supposed to.
Well, I haven't been charged to look at files from here. The ladies have always been very nice. Just wondering, is that a new policy?
It's been a policy for quite a while.
Okay. Can I ask why on Friday that option wasn't given to the gentleman that came down to request the file?
It's our policy. I'd have to check with the judges on it. And it's been a policy for a long time. And it's always been a policy as far as the $25 fee for any type of records check. Now, I know that when we send information to you, to the media, on any felonies and stuff, it's a citation.
Right.
And an APC.
Right.
And then as far as looking at the file, that's just was a policy because we have to scan for $25. I don't know who allowed you to look at them without that. We did check with our attorney, Chris Gray, and you will see. And I did, after you were in here on Friday, we talked to the judge, and he's checking into it as well. And my understanding is this was something the commissioners may have put in force a number of years ago. Yeah, it's been that way for over 6 years.
Is this a depository of public records?
It is, and we're not denying you the record.
Well,
We are
all we
not
wanted to
denying
do
them.
was view them.
Mhm.
Can we not do that?
Generally, it's a $25 records check, but that's what I asked the judge about, and that's what we're asking our county attorney, if that's possible.
According to the Montana Constitution, that all records,
I can't
records,
get into the Constitution with you.
Oh.
I'm a clerk. I'm not an attorney. I'm not a commissioner, and I'm not a judge.
So
I'm going by policy.
Am I correct in understanding that you know the law that controls your job?
Most of it, there's an awful lot. Probably more than you do.
Just so we're clear, though, if they were to file and pay the $25, they would be able to see Ernie Tertelgte's file.
Absolutely. We never deny
Time
it.
frame. Ask
We
about a
never
time
deny
frame.
it. But if you want to wait for a minute.
How long would that take? If we filed $25, would we get it immediately?
Yeah. You can stand
Did you tell me 7 to 10 days last time?
No, that was for a written. That was for if we make copies for you. If you're going to sit here and look at the file right here.
Is it possible
do
to
it
lay
right
the
now.
file on the table right now, the public record?
Absolutely. I never denied
Then lay it
that.
on the table and we'll look at it and leave.
Yeah, absolutely.
Put
I
it on
never denied that.
bring it around and we'll look at it.
Okay, you want to bring that up, Darla?
Please.
But on Friday, I never denied that. I said it's $25.
You never denied the tertelgte file?
No,
Okay.
I did not.
Okay.
I said that for $25, you could have it.
I thought it was 27, and they would have a copy. They could get it in 10 days.
No, it's 25. And if you want a copy and we make you copies, it could be 5 to 10 days. I mean,
Oh,
So you're charging me $25 to see the public record today?
She just said she was going to lay it on the table here. It's not going to be a $25 fine charged. Records are to be dispensed and not for sale. Am I wrong? Am I wrong about that?
I believe that's...
Records are not to be sold to the public. We own the records.
It's not. Ernie owns the records.
Ernie owns the records. The state of Montana owns the records, ma'am.
That's
Would you bring the tertelgte file out here and let us look at it, please? Right now?
Yeah.
Please.
Please. Thank you.
I'm about over you, sir. And if you start being antagonistic toward me,
I'll leave.
you will leave.
I'll leave right now.
I will talk with you. I will talk with you.
be a lawyer to understand the plain words of Montana Suit 2-6-201 and others like them. I was a state legislator. I understand law, and I understand the English language. I can read, write, and speak it, and there is no question public records are open to the public. I'm a member of the public, and the president of the public record. This is very clear. It should not be a problem. I've never had a problem like this before in other courts of record or courts of not record. So I'm hoping that there will be compliance with the law, because it's official misconduct for a public official not to obey the law or refuse or neglect to do their duty. That's serious business.
All we're asking is that these people uphold the law, the same law that we expect us to be held.
We don't think that's too much to ask.
What we did is we contacted the county attorney. You said you can see it, however, anything that is NCIS, confidential, has to be obtained through Ernie, and we have to take that out. Anything that has a social security number, address, date of birth, that has to be taken out. We have to take that out. Can't see. Okay? Okay. So let's go through, make sure what we've got.
I know they don't have to read this. I just want you to put request to review Ernie's employee right there, so that he knows that you can file. Yeah, and then do that all you don't need to fill any of this out. Okay, here's this one. Look through that.
Is that the only file then?
No, Darla's doing another one.